In the past years are now facing the threat of mudslides and debris flow and burn scars. Fox 40's Zach Boetto continuing our team coverage tonight, live from Forest Hill after speaking with CAL FIRE about how emergency crews are preparing for the severe weather. Zach.
Nikki, we were standing right here when the mosquito fire threatened this area back in September. Now with severe wind and rain expected to move in tomorrow, CAL FIRE is one of multiple agencies trying to get ahead of this storm and to prepare for the damage it may cause. The mosquito fire burned through canyons in Forest Hill, Todd Valley, and Michigan Bluff less than 4 months ago. And there are many other major burn scars that fire officials say could leave a path for debris flow as high winds and rain continue to move in this week.
Up here in our burn scar and foothill areas, you're going to see the potential for dramatic runoff. And that could be affecting burned areas or non-burned areas.
Estes says the response to severe wind and rain for CAL FIRE and other agencies does have similarities to that of a wildfire. He says it starts with life, property, and resources.
The impacts to the water infrastructure, the power infrastructure, and the residential communities are very real. But we are prepared should that downstream effect happen to mitigate with emergency resources.
CAL FIRE is an all-hazards agency, and the Nevada Yuba Placer Unit plans to have 400 people ready at peak staffing, including hand crews and dozers ready around the clock. Estes says it's important for residents to be connected to your county's mass notification system in case there is need to evacuate. As residents in the foothills grab their last-minute necessities before the storm, one woman we spoke with says her main concern is falling trees.
Just getting ready for it. I mean, we have a lot of rain coming in, so there's a lot of trees that fall down. We're out in the neck of the woods, and we don't know what this weather's going to bring, but I also work in Auburn and Lake of the Pines, so it's been flooding. The roads have been flooded there, and it's just flooding everywhere.
With the ground already saturated from the rainfall we saw over New Year's, trees and power lines could fall easier with the rain and high winds that are expected. Officials say this could lead to major damage and widespread power outages. Estes says emergency crews will be prepared for what's to come, and he says it's important for people to keep that go-bag mentality.
If we have trees blocking roads, we got crews ready. If we have roads that are washed out, we've got heavy equipment and fire engines ready to respond. You know, having fuel in your vehicle, having food and water provisions, and having a plan.
Officials are asking residents to utilize sandbags and to make sure roads are clear just in case emergency vehicles need to make their way to make rescues or repairs as needed. Reporting live in Forest Hill, Zach Boetto, Fox 40 News.
Zach, thank you.